その歌どこで？ね、ママ。
Yo, one of my Shein packages came so quick, and I've never gotten Shein in gray. Like the packaging just coming like this. It's never happened before. So that's interesting. I'm not quite sure what this is, but we can sure enough find out together. So don't mind my hair. I'm gonna feed my dog, start filming my lookbook. And at some point my DoorDash order is supposed to arrive, and that'll be my first time eating today. Your girl is immobile, and I have not updated y'all on why that is the case. My car isn't working right now anyways, but I also have court. It's not that funny. It's not funny at all, actually. But yeah, your girl's not driving right now. Because I tend to say this, but if you're no stranger to the channel, if you've seen previous vlogs, you understand that car troubles might as well be my middle name, because I always have them. It just can never seem to. I believe I have my court date next week. I go back to work like the week after. It's been rough. I'm not even gonna. That's why I haven't talked about it, because it's kind of stressful to think about. It's not like I get overwhelmed or anything. It's just nothing I really want to talk about. Life be happening, and I just want to kind of get over the obstacle and keep it pushing. And the obstacle at the moment, it seems like it's always an obstacle, my car issues. But on top of that, then there's the court situation. That was all my bad, and I really am getting my life together, so do not judge. I take it upon myself to share this info with y'all, just so that y'all know, like, I'm real. I don't know, some people have a perception of me in my actual life, but like my presentation, I don't want anybody trying to act like I'm just not really ashamed. Part of life are the ups and downs, and I'm not gonna be afraid of sharing the downs, because I'm not gonna be afraid of sharing the ups. I'm gonna keep that same energy, and while I'm doing that in this manner, I also am finding myself doing that in prayer. Ups or downs, I'm keeping the same energy. So let's go ahead and see what's in this package. Oh wow, I thought this was just going to be one item, but it looks like it's quite a few. I had got me some makeup brushes because I was in desperate need. TMI, but I also needed some undergarments. I wanted to check out the quality of their bras and whatnot. Got me some clippings. I believe my DoorDash order was just delivered. This is clippings. People who know me personally know I would never spend money on clippings, but because I don't have time like I used to, I just wanted to see what the quality on Shein's clip-ins were giving. From like 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. That's all I did with my hair. I would make my own clip-ins all the time. All the time. All the time. I might insert some pictures, but I'm gonna try to get back to being intentional with my natural hair. And you know, just kind of keeping up with my hair in that way. I don't want to do too much. I still want my natural hair to be protected and, you know, maintained properly, but I am going to step out of my comfort zone just a bit. So I got these clip-ins. I also recently purchased like ponytails, so I'm gonna try that out. I got me some pantyhose and stockings and stuff. I usually keep them in my wardrobe, but once you get holes and stuff, you gotta get new ones and re-up. So I also got a strapless bra. So this is an eyeshadow palette. I'll put the picture on the screen. This package came so quick. Oh my goodness. I'm just so incredibly shocked. And I have me some seamless panties. I got these for my self-care days. And I also got me some rings. If y'all, y'all know I'm trying to get with it when it comes to accessories. Although my fingers are really small, I find that sometimes I can fit the size 5s. And Shein does have that size available on their site. So I always want to, test them out. This one is, I don't know if you can tell, this one's pink. And then this is like a blue set I thought would be really cute to wear with like a jean look or whatever. And yeah, it looks like that's all I got here. So, woohoo! I want to go shopping again. Yeah, I just do. That's my issue. That's my issue. That's my issue. That's my issue. But I kind of want to prepare myself for the colder season and saving up, because once I re-up on things that I feel like I need personally, and once I Christmas shop, I'm done spending. I'm done.